Understanding, tiptoe around. A guide to idiomatic English. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the fascinating world of English idioms. Today, we're diving into the phrase, tiptoe around. This idiom can add a colorful touch to your English conversations, and we're here to help you understand and use it effectively. So, let's get started. The phrase, tiptoe around, is an idiom that means to deal with something or someone very carefully, trying not to cause offense or disturb them. Imagine walking on your tiptoes to avoid making noise. That's the kind of caution and delicacy this phrase suggests. It's often used in situations where direct action or straightforward communication might be risky or inappropriate. To really grasp how tiptoe around is used, let's look at some examples. 1. In the workplace. Our team has been tiptoeing around the boss lately because he's been in a bad mood. 2. In personal relationships. She's been tiptoeing around the subject of marriage, not wanting to pressure her partner. 3. In sensitive topics. The documentary tiptoed around the political aspects of the issue to remain neutral. These examples show how the phrase can be applied in various contexts, emphasizing the need for tact and sensitivity. Understanding synonyms can expand your ability to express the same idea differently. Here are some phrases that convey a similar meaning. Walking on eggshells, handling with kid gloves, beating around the bush. Each of these phrases also implies a degree of caution and avoidance of directness or confrontation. Tiptoe around is a versatile idiom that can add nuance to your English, especially when discussing sensitive or delicate matters. Remember, idioms like this can make your language more colorful and expressive. We hope this video has been helpful in your journey to mastering English. Keep practicing, and don't forget to subscribe for more insightful language tips. See you in the next video.